Hello guys, today I will be introducing to you the best shaved door handle kit for easy installation. Shaved door handles give a clean look to the doors of your mini trucks and other vehicles. If you have been considering going for the same for quite some time now, it is better than you know the process well. You will need a few tools in the kit to ensure that your door gets the shaved door handles in no time and without much ado. Many brands offer the same these days, and all you need to have besides this is the expertise and wiring ideas. Let us check out the best shaved door handles kit available in the market. I am starting from the last on the list, and the product is the MPCSL50 1674 Door Popper Solenoid. The door handle kit includes mounting bracket and universal mount. The heavy-duty door solenoid has a maximum pulling force of 45 pounds. The installation will cause the reinforced belt mount, reduce floor tear-through and more. In addition, it is easy to install. The fourth product on the list is the CARMOCAR new shaved handle door kit. This proper kit is ideal for two doors and offers high gloss finish, easy mount, and remote kit. The product allows for quick installation, and the solenoid is adjustable between 50 pounds and 108 pounds. The kit includes two set wire, fuse, and mounting bolts. The third product on the list is the MPC Park A10495 Door Popper Kit. The new control module has built-in relays which remove 90% of wiring for a cleaner, faster and simplified installation. There is no need to buy extra wire or make splice connections. The sleek 2-button design and the programmable safety features are the highlights. The second product on the list is the special shaved -40 door kit. The product has the 40-pound 7-channel kit. The kit includes all the tools to make the installation of the door popper easy. This is what makes the two solenoid kit so famous. You can check the details of the installation in the manual. The final and the best product on the list is the Megatronics CP500 SDK2P shaved door handle kit with poppers. The kit includes two heavy-duty high-torque solenoids of 50 pounds, stainless steel door poppers of 40 pounds. A push button will help you for the manual release. The kit also includes 5-channel keyless entry system, mounting bracket, wiring, and hardware. After a lot of considerations, my choice is the Megatronics CP500 SDK2P shaved door handle kit. The product is compact and comes with all the tools and wires to make the installation breezy. I have attached the product links in the description box below. Please like and share the video if you found the content informative. Please subscribe to our channel to get more such videos from us. Thank you.